I did 2 parts because it cut off the last live stream from the car. I was able to upload the second half, but the first one, they wouldn't even let me download it. I couldn't even download my own video. So, and then they flagged it, and then they took it down, and then I had to do an appeal to get it put back up because I guess they figured I would leave it alone. But yeah, that's the issue. I don't want to put the live out, and then once it's done and they process it, they can hold the video. It's technically YouTube's property to do it on YouTube. They can hold the video, and then that's it. It's done, and I can't repost it or I can't put it back out. So I don't want to deal with that. I don't even want to mess with that unless I get an okay from YouTube, or which I won't get that in time. So we'll see. I have a couple of different platforms we're going to use. I have options to use, so I'm going to work with those. I'm testing them out now to make sure everything's cool. The WP streams that comes with WordPress is not working. It's just not a good platform. WP streams. I tried that one, and for some reason it's a long delay. Like I can record, but then when I look for the playback live, it's not live. Then I'll get it, the recording like 7 minutes later that I did a live, and it's like, what the hell? So yeah, but I got a couple of them that work, and I'm going to use those. Yeah, Mark, send me an email at the realmerkabah@gmail.com. I'll send you a link that'll work. And it's a lot of people that's been trying to get NPA and trying to get shit. It's always fucking issues with links. Something like, I think, like when I post a link on YouTube, like some of those things, like a lot of people tell me they get like spyware or virus protection, says the link is corrupted, so they don't mess with it. It's always something. It's always something. And that's the issue. So when I sent all NPA members emails, NPA members, you guys got the email Thursday, I believe. I sent it on Thursday or Friday for the lecture, for the live stream. And a lot of people just didn't get it. So when I posted the video yesterday, I got emails from people who are already emailed saying that they didn't get the email. And I got the proof that I sent the email. So that's some weird shit. This is what I'll be talking about. So yeah, like it's a lot. So I got to make sure that this is everything is going to go through smoothly. So I'm gonna do a test run and make sure everything works right. I'm gonna try to do a test run on the software tonight, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll live stream that, so we can see if it works. So you guys can see the live on YouTube, but then I'll go live from Merkabah Academy or from the platform, and then we'll see if people can get on. So it'll be like a test that we'll do, and we'll see if it works. But I'm gonna be working on it to try to get it straightened out today. Before it gets to that point, but I have other personal stuff I got to take care of first. And yeah, like I know, like it's frustrating. Share next. No, this year is fine, man. It won't be a total collapse this year. This year is going to, like, the biggest thing that's going to happen this year is going to be the election, of course, and all the Saturn activity, and they're going to put laws and shit in place behind our backs like they've been doing. But I will be worried because, like I said, Trump got away easily. It was only a couple people, and make no mistake, if you guys paying attention, they're calling for an investigation into this assassination attempt. And they are. I don't know if you guys seen it. I think a couple news outlets reported on it, but they're calling for an investigation because it's like, come on. Like, come on. If it's an investigation needs to be done because there was clearly negligence on the Secret Service part. I don't want to get too much into that because I don't want the video to be not posted later. But yeah, we'll talk about it on a lecture. But yeah, and I'll, because I'll be able to do pictures and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about on a couple things. But yeah. So yeah, it's a lot. There's a lot going on. So I need you guys to support. To go grab the lives. The link is in the description. It should be in the description of my last video. You guys got emails too, not the last one I posted, but the one before that. You guys should see it. Let me see, because sometimes this thing lets you comment and sometimes it don't.